in this video we are going to learn how to reduce lag in OBS Studio. So first of all, open the setting, and after opening the setting, go to the video in the left side. So after clicking the video, here is the output scaled resolution. So your resolution must be 1280 into 720. And then after this, set the FPS value. So this one is the FPS value. So, and after this, again go to the setting, which is in the right side. Click on setting and then go to the output. Then click on the recording tab. After recording tab, here is the bitrate. So this one is the bitrate, and reduce the bitrate according to your PC. Click apply and then click OK. So now your you have reduced lag in the OBS Studio successfully.